Hi, I'm Lisa Wallen with Directional Learning. Today we're going to talk about blends. Blends happen at the beginning of the word or beginning of the syllable. Now here with the L, when it's with all these consonants here, it will be called an L blend. Okay, even though the L comes second. So the reason why they call it is a blend is because you say each sound. Watch, I'll blend them together. B, U, bull. Hey, I'm saying both sounds and I'm blending the sounds together. Here would be k, cool, and so forth. But that is what an L blend is. And an L blend lives at the beginning of the word or it can live at the beginning of the syllable. Now, another blend that's popular are the R blends. Notice the R comes second, and there's a few extra letters with this. You can have a BR, a DR, a CR, and all these other blends here. Now this is called a blend too because you say both sounds, k, kr. So that's it. This is an R blend. And R blends live at the beginning of the word or they can live at the beginning of the second syllable. So let me show you a word, what I mean by that. So let's take our first word here and let's build it. So we're gonna build this word here. Now we have an L blend. Do you see the L blend? It lives in the beginning of the word and the word is close because it's a silent E syllable. Okay, now I'm gonna put the CL, the L blend in the second syllable by building a new word. Watch, so if I build this word here, let's move it down. What does it say? It says disclose, disclose. And we could divide up the word by, I have an L blend stays together and the S goes to the first syllable. Now notice the CL, it is in the second syllable, but hey, it's the first part. So it's the first part of the syllable. So remember I said it can live in the beginning of the syllable? So it does. So that's the difference between L blends and R blends. They're allowed to live in the beginning of the word if the word was closed or in the beginning of the syllable, okay? Now I want to show you the difference of a digraph. This is a digraph here. Now notice there's two letters on this tile. That means there's two letters. Two means die, and we write it graph, digraph. And sometimes I'll just show my student graph paper to remind them. Two letters, you write it on graph paper, digraph. So that's an easy way for them to remember what it is. Now, this is gonna make a whole different sound. It's gonna make the shh sound. So put your hand up to your mouth, pretend you're in a library, and the librarian might say shh if you're talking too loud. So see, it's making a whole different sound. We don't say s, ha, and blend it. That's why it's not called a blend. It's called a digraph. It makes a whole different sound and it makes one sound, shh. So that's the difference between blends and digraphs. So make sure that you teach your student that blends, you blend the sounds together. Digraphs, they will make a whole different sound. And digraphs can be found at the beginning of the word or end of the word or beginning of the syllable, end of the syllable, depending on which digraphs they are. So make sure you follow me. I'm always finding fun ways to teach you, your student, how to read and spell.